Hello, welcome to Sobatech. In this video, we are going to test the Changhong S FCL Fresnel Ambient Light Rejecting Screen under different lighting conditions to find out how the screen performs. The projector used for the test is the Changhong M3000 LED Smart Projector, which features 800 ANSI lumens brightness. First, we will test the screen under normal ambient light conditions. Our room has 6 recessed fluorescent lights on the ceiling. 2 of them are right above the screen. Under the ambient light conditions, the projection image is bright and vivid. The impact of overhead lightings on the image brightness and contrast is very limited. To give you an idea how much differences the screen can make, comparing with projecting on a white wall. We are projecting about 1/4 of the image on the white wall besides the screen and let the rest 3/4 of the image stay on the screen to find out the difference. You can see the image projected on the white wall is washed out while the image projected on the screen is vivid and bright. Now, we turn off all the lights to see how the screen performs in a dark room. As you can see here, when the room is dark, the projection image on the wall looks much better than it was under the ambient lights. However, the screen has delivered a clearly better image with more contrast. A higher contrast means higher image clarity and color accuracy. Here is the full image projected on the screen in the dark room. Here is the comparison between projection on the screen under ambient lights and in a completely dark room. Now, we will see how the screen performs under extremely bright lighting conditions. We place 2 studio lighting softboxes on both sides of the screen and point the lights towards the screen. We will turn the softboxes on and off for a few times to see the impact of the strong external light interference. It turns out the projected image brightness and contrast remain at a decent level despite of interference from the softboxes. Finally, and most interestingly, we are putting the screen under an extreme test. With a 30 watts, 2000 lumens portable floodlight placed directly against the screen to see how the projected image will look like. You can see while the floodlight is moving along the screen, majority of the light from the floodlight is rejected by the screen when the light is pointed from the sides and top of the screen. When the floodlight is pointed towards the wall, the projected image on the wall is barely visible. Changhong claims that the S FCL screen can reject over 85% of the ambient lights. According to this test, it is right to say the S FCL screen lives up to its claim. That is all for the Changhong S FCL screen tests. We hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please be free to contact.